Our project is a smart waste classification system. It deals with various layers. The first one is liquid detection, so it detects if there are liquids in the waste that are being thrown into. It also detects multi-components, which are two really important areas that no literature review or no data sets exist on.
The bin works using machine learning models and deep learning models that can be fed images and trained multiple times in order to identify different images and be able to identify these images using a camera that we installed in the bin.
So the mechanical parts of the bin, we have a tilting mechanism, which for the real bin itself, the prototype, will take it once it receives the waste and it gets classified. The tilting mechanism will send it to the correct compartment. The bin is connected or integrated with a cloud, and so a Raspberry Pi is integrated into the bin to detect the incoming waste itself, so it can then be classified.
Our future plan is to expand it more. We're already in talk for initial talks with the Ain Shams University to do another prototype. We also want to tackle the limitations that we found in our project and build more on it, and because the dimensions of the bin was too big, we want to optimize it more.
So there's one party involved, which is us. So we designed the technical aspects, and we deployed the code and the models into one. So another party that's involved is Nestlé, which provided us with the funding. Another party is Dawar, which provided us with real Egyptian data sets to test on for external validation. And the final party is Makersgate and AUC's Learning Factory, which actually built the bin itself from top to bottom.